guys, it's me, Reena, @Reena, and welcome back to my channel. And I know it's been a while since I've uploaded my last video, and to be very honest, I started doing YouTube because I really loved watching YouTube videos and they really made my day. And also because when there was so much going on in my life that I wanted to distract myself from it, and I thought YouTube was the way. But to be very honest, just like anybody else, I took YouTube for granted. Like when I was alone and sad in my life, I used YouTube as a medium to distract myself. And when I got new people in my life, I totally ignored YouTube and my priority set in a different manner. But now that it's 2016, I really want to get serious with my YouTube channel, because with me it's like whenever I do videos, I do it with real passion and real hard work. But when I don't, I just don't. I just let it go. But I really want to bring some change in this attitude, because now that I'm 18 and now that it's 2017, I really need to get serious about my life. By the way, that was definitely not linked anyway, but I tried hard, okay? So anyways, as a compensation to all what I've done in 2016, I want to start a new series that will be called as Happy Winter Week, which means I will be uploading videos every single day of this week, starting right from today. And I hope you guys enjoyed the content that I will be creating. And if you enjoy the content or you don't want to miss out on those videos, then please don't forget to hit that subscribe button right below, and don't forget to hit that bell button so that you get notified every time I'm online. And without any further ado, let's jump right into it. Let's go. So it's New Year's and I obviously did a lot of shopping, and now that I've started with this Happy Winter Week, I knew for sure that my first video of this year and of the series definitely had to be a haul video. So recently I went to First Beauty in Ghatkopar and did a little bit of damage, not too much. Like, let's just pretend that it's not too much, even though it's a bag filled with makeup. And I also did some online shopping from Amazon as well. So I have a package from Amazon which I just received. So let's do some unboxing, shall we? Let's do it. So I've got my knife because, as always, I couldn't find my scissors. Okay, we're doing good. Okay, so the first product I have is from Essence, and it is their eyebrow stylist. And this is how the product looks like. This is in the shade 02 Blonde Style. I have ordered it from Amazon. That means it is still available over there. And I will leave the links in the description, so don't forget to check that out. And I have heard good reviews about this, so I'm really excited to try this, because to be very honest, I'm not really a big fan of the Maybelline brow wiz thingy apart from the powder side. I'm really excited to try a new brow product. Moving on to some other things that I've bought from Amazon, and the first thing is some wet wipes, and these are from the brand Little. To be very honest, I have tried these wet wipes. These are like 80 wet wipes for ₹999, but obviously since I bought it from Amazon, I got it for real cheap. I think I got it for ₹80, which is like a total steal. But apart from that, I'm not really a big fan of it, because they aren't the best, but they aren't terrible as well. They will remove your makeup, but overall they are not too bad, since they are paraben free and alcohol free, and they do contain some aloe vera gel and vitamin E. So if you are someone who wears very light makeup, then you can definitely give this one a try. The next thing I have is from Himalaya. It's their freshening and clarifying toner. Now I remember asking you guys for suggestions for toners, and a lot of you guys suggested me the Himalaya clarifying toner. So I'm really excited to give it a try. I haven't yet tried this. So yeah, I will definitely update you guys pretty soon. So yeah, that's all I had from Amazon. Now let's dig in to some real makeup. So the first thing I have is the eyeliner, and this is the eyeliner I had previously, but then I broke it, so I finally repurchased it again. And it's from the brand Kiss Beauty, and it is their matte eyeliner. It was just for ₹100, and I really like this. It is a liquid liner, and it has this very flexible tip to it, and it's pretty black. So yeah, I definitely like it. However, the packaging is very flimsy. Moving on to this product which I'm really excited about, and that is the Kiss Beauty Primer. Yes, you heard me right. Kiss Beauty also makes primer, which I was totally unaware about. And this retails for just ₹150. Yes, you heard me right. Just $150. And yes, I have tried this while I was in Rajasthan, and I have my views and thoughts fixed in my mind about this, so do expect a review coming soon. The next thing I have is something I really wanted to get my hands for the longest time, and I finally did. I'm so happy about it. And this is the Miss Claire Full Coverage Concealer, and a lot of people say that it's a dupe for the NYX Full Coverage Concealer. These guys just have 4 shades. I don't know if the brand on its own has 4 shades or the shop had only 4 shades. I don't know what the deal is. But in First Beauty Ghatkopar, they just have 4 shades, and I have taken shade 2 Fair, as you can see, simply because I really love the fact that it had those heavy yellow undertones, which I am a big fan of. So I'm really happy that I got my hands on this, and this retailed for rupees 150, so it's really inexpensive. I really wanted to pick up my shade as well, which was beige. Like, it was a little light, but I could fix that up. But then I was like, you know, I shouldn't be greedy and I should try this first and see what my thoughts are and then go for it. Next I have are some eyeliners. Now if you have been on my channel for a while, you know I'm a biggest fan of this eyeliner because it's like a gel eyeliner in a pencil form, and this lasts forever. It's waterproof, water resistant, no matter if you have watery eyes or oily eyelids. It's going to be with you forever. Like, it's this product which made me believe in forever. Coming back. And the product I'm talking about is the In Colors eyeliner. I bought 2 of them. I already have 2, which is in brown and blue, like the navy blue, and I'm really big fan of both of them. So I had to get my hands on these 2. And this one is the shade black, and this is how the black one looks like. Now those other eyeliners retail for 220 rupees, while the black one retails for 240 rupees. That's a little mean of them because they know black is a color which everybody will take, but it's okay. This product is so good that I'm ready to pay that 20 rupees extra for the black one. The only bummer is that you have to shop in this product, but elsewhere it's the best. Can you see how smooth it is? And this is just one swipe. This is how one swipe looks, and this is how 2 swipes look. The next color which I bought from the same range is a gunmetalish grey color, which I personally love. And this is called Slate, and the black one is called Black. So this is how the grey one looks like. Let me give you a quick swatch. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. However, these are not fully matte. They do have little flecks of glitter, but they are not even that noticeable on your eyes. Then the next thing I have is a lipstick, because how is the haul complete without a lipstick? And I remember last time I got like so many lipsticks. I've done this like huge, crazy, affordable lipstick haul. If you haven't seen that, I will leave the video somewhere here. The lipstick I got this time is from Miss Claire, and it's called Soft Brown, and this is how this lipstick looks like. And let me give you a quick swatch of this lipstick. It's so pretty. I have tried these lipsticks in the past and they are really good. I think this retails for 200 rupees or 150, somewhere in that range. To be honest, one thing I've realized in the past is that even though I have like so much of makeup, not about how much makeup you own, but it's about the variety of makeup that you own and how you use them. Now I know on my channel the technique of my eye makeups are pretty damn same, and I need to bring some in them. I need to bring some life into them, for which I knew that I wanted to invest something like this. So I finally got my hands on some loose pigments, and I'm really excited to share with you guys some eye tutorials using these. The colors that I've picked up this is from Miss Claire, and this is in the shade 06, and this was for rupees 150. It's a beautiful gunmetal grey color. Next I have this copper color, which is in the shade 800, and this retail for rupees 100 only. It's a loose pigment. Then I have a beautiful yellow golden color, and this is how the color looks like. It's a very pretty color. This was just for rupees 80. Another pigment which, again, as I said, I want to get out of my comfort zone and bring some colors in my life, and on my channel I had to get this beautiful teal blue color, and this is again from Miss Claire, and this is in the shade number 12. And the last thing which I bought from Flipkart are some eyebrow razors which I use for shaving, and so far it's going good, but Again, I will give you my final verdict very soon because I need to experiment with these for a couple more months to share my final verdict with you. Well, yeah, that's all I had for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed day 1 of this winter happy week, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you get notified with all the upcoming videos in this week and in the future on this channel. That would really mean the world to me. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.